Ublalotak, Kanuit Pizzy. Today is Monday. What day? All day today, let's be responsible. Always try to do our best. Cooperate with others and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. So today we are going to talk about the term perspective. Some of you remember this term from last year. I remember talking to you guys about this term perspective with some examples. If you don't remember, that's completely okay. Perspective means having different opinion or a viewpoint about a same subject. For example, while I was growing up, I loved the color black. So one year it was my birthday and I decided to wear a black dress. My mom thought I should wear something different, a different color dress because I wear black every day. So her perspective was that I should look different on my birthday and I should stand out. So I think she said I should wear a red dress. And I was like, no, it's my birthday and I want to wear my favorite color black and I want to wear a black dress. So does that mean she was wrong? Maybe no. Was I wrong? Maybe no. It's okay to have different perspectives about the same subject. So we both agreed that because it was my birthday, she understood my perspective that I should do something that I loved. And I loved the color black. I went with my dad, bought a new black dress and wore that on my birthday. So to recap, perspective is having a different viewpoint about the same subject. For elementary students, I want you to focus on this image. What do you think? Is this number a 6 or a 9? This man thinks that it's a 6, but this man thinks it's a 9. What do you think? Do you think it's a 6 or a 9? Discuss it in your class. What's your perspective about this image? Now, for my high school students, I want you to focus on this image. If only if I can make it bigger. Yes, finally. So, look at this image. According to your perspective, do you see an old lady or do you see a young lady? It's the same image, but you could have a different perspective from your classmates. Take down a couple of minutes to observe this image. Think it through and discuss it in your class. What do you see? And remember, guys, it's okay to have a different opinion or a different perspective. What's important is to communicate with respect and kindness. I hope you guys have some fun time discussing different perspectives in your class. Now time for some announcements. This is the announcement for all the high schoolers who are interested in joining Upward Bound or who's already a part of Upward Bound. We start our meeting on Thursday at 3:35 to 4:35 in Mark's room, which is the science room. When do we meet? After school from 3:35 to 4:35. And when do we meet on Monday? No. On Wednesday? No. We meet on Thursday. So I hope to see all of you on Thursday after school if you're interested in Upward Bound. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Happy learning.